Seizing the opportunity in online marketing. Hey guys, so today I just wanted to have a quick video and just discuss the power that online marketing has to transform and revolutionize your business. For those of you that have been following my journey, following my blogs, or even my YouTube channel, I've been teaming up with Mike and Robin to present to you the online success strategy to learn how to leverage and market anything you want in the online space. If you can grasp the 5 things that we talk about whenever we talk about the online success strategy, you will set yourself up for maximum success in the future. You can market whatever you want. For instance, we have marketed our free marketing class that actually turns into an opportunity later, or we market My Daily Choice Hempworks, High Life Travel, Mantra Essential Oils, the MDC Complete House of Brands per se. But the bottom line, guys, whether you're an author, speaker, coach, publisher, online marketer, network marketer, affiliate marketer, as long as you lay the foundation for maximum online success, you will be successful. It's inevitable. Why? Because you put yourself on all platforms. You leverage opportunities. You leverage people that have been there, that have walked through the exact process that you want to go, and you feed off of them. You take in, you soak in everything that they're doing, and then just turn it into your own words. You turn it into your own mission statement, your own opportunity, your own audience, and then you just go for it, right? It's a matter of taking a mentor, taking somebody that is candid, as Mike and Robin, and learning from them for the past 2 years. I'm talking about myself. And then being able to leverage that online is just fantastic. When you become a professional marketer, your income is unlimited. And the reason why is because whenever you implement the online success strategy, of which is going to be down below for you to take a look at, you will be able to market anything that you want to market. The reason why so many people are successful online is because they have offers after offer after offer that speak to their direct audience. You see, whenever you're an online marketer, let's just say you're selling travel. When you're selling travel, obviously you're selling more than just a destination. You're selling an opportunity for people to fly, to book a hotel, to book travel arrangements, to book excursions. The same applies with your coaching business. Let's say you're a coach. You want to speak. Okay, so whenever you go to an event and you speak, or you host your own webinar, you're providing free information, you're providing value. Whenever people get that value, they understand where you're coming from and the genuine connection that you're looking to make with them. And then, let's say you have a book that goes along with that webinar. Now you're giving a book away, or now you're promoting a discounted book because they attended the webinar. You see, whenever you're able to leverage everything that you do online, the system is automated. The system is working for you and not against you. So you don't have to work as hard to cold call 5,000 people to get 500 people to say yes. No, you leverage the online systems that we're talking about in this strategy, and you're applying it to whatever you're doing. You see, you don't have to necessarily reinvent the wheel. You just have to put the wheel in motion. And that's what we're getting you to do. We're getting you to put the wheel in motion, accelerate your growth, and accelerate your opportunity to win big in your own industry. So, wrapping it all up, today I just want to leave you with this. If you can step into the opportunity of online marketing, learning it, capturing it, and really honing in on your audience, whatever it is that you're promoting, you will succeed online. Because you're naturally going to get engagement, because you're naturally going to give value. And then once you have an audience of giving value, naturally they're going to start buying your products and services. So my encouragement to you is take advantage of the opportunity that we're laying before you. We have the free class link below. I encourage you to take an hour out of your time, hour and a half out of your day to watch the class regarding the strategy to win big online. This is not something that we're promoting or selling, if you will, in regards to a specific industry. This is blanket statement across the board to learn how to effectively market online with whatever it is you're selling or promoting. And then we give you the tools and resources to tap into what we know and what we've done to accelerate your vision online with your business. So, in order to win online, you have to understand how to market online and how to put yourself out there in a strategic position to win. So, I'll see you on the other side. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll talk soon. The link to the strategy class is below. I encourage you to take an opportunity, take a step, learn it, implement it, and we'll see you on the other side. Thanks, guys.